Hey guys, welcome to Social Nerd. This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how you can view the subscribers count on your YouTube mobile. With over 500 hours of video uploaded to YouTube every minute, it's no surprise that many publishers grow massive followings with subscribers number reaching the millions and revenue from advertising and product placement reaching just as high. You can subscribe to channels you like to see more content from, and you can find the subscribe button under any YouTube video or on the channel's page. So if you publish videos on YouTube yourself, you may want to know how to see your subscribers. It not only lets you see the types of people who follow you, but also helps you to generate ideas and figures out of kind of videos your subscribers would like to see. You can see who's subscribed to your YouTube channel or check your subscribers count through the phone and Android app now. So in order to know how to see the count of your YouTube subscribers on a mobile device, follow these simple steps. First, locate and tap the YouTube icon to open the app and ensure you are logged into your account. Now here you can see a profile icon in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Select on it. You can see the various options available here. Now go to your channel and tap on it. Now here on your channel, your numbers of YouTube subscribers will be displayed next to your user icon and beneath your name. Or you can access the subscription count via YouTube Studio by clicking onto the YouTube and opening it. And at the top right corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, go to the YouTube Studio option and click on it. Here you can see your subscribers count is displayed just beneath the name of your channel. Also, you can locate your section name Analytics. Below it, you can see the number of subscribers that had changed in last 28 days. To view your subscribers on YouTube is very easy. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.